Chapter 1. The Spark of Curiosity. As I stared up at the night sky, the countless stars blinking back at me, a question began to form in my mind. Is the Earth truly a globe? This innocent curiosity led me down a rabbit hole of research that eventually led me to the controversial world of the flat Earth conspiracy theory. Chapter 2. Challenging the norms. Diving headfirst into the flat Earth community, I discovered that its believers weren't just a bunch of uneducated individuals. On the contrary, they were diverse, intelligent people who had questioned the information presented to us by mainstream science and the media. I learned that this belief had a long history, dating back to ancient civilizations, where the Earth was commonly perceived as flat. Chapter 3. Questioning the globe model. I found myself questioning the very foundation of what I had been taught in school. The so-called evidence of a spherical Earth suddenly seemed shaky. Why couldn't we detect the Earth's curvature from high altitudes? Why do flights between certain points seem to take longer than expected on a globe model? And what about the horizon? Why does it always appear flat, no matter how high up you go? Chapter 4. The Deception of Space Agencies. One of the most eye-opening aspects of my exploration was the realization that space agencies might not be entirely truthful. Some flat Earth proponents argue that pictures of the Earth from space, such as those provided by NASA, are nothing more than CGI creations. They claim that these agencies perpetuate the spherical Earth myth to maintain control and manipulate the masses. Chapter 5. Questioning gravity. Another pillar of the flat Earth theory revolves around gravity. While mainstream science explains gravity as the force that keeps us anchored to the Earth's surface, some flat earthers challenge this notion. They suggest that the sensation of gravity might be due to the Earth constantly accelerating upwards, producing the same effect as gravity on a flat plane. Chapter 6. Experiments and observations. The flat Earth community is rife with experiments and observations that aim to prove their theory. From laser experiments over large bodies of water to studies on the behavior of water on a spinning sphere, they present what they believe are inconsistencies and contradictions in the globe model. Chapter 7. The Antarctic Ice Wall. One of the most captivating elements of the flat Earth theory is the Antarctic Ice Wall. According to some believers, Antarctica isn't a continent at all but an icy barrier encircling the flat Earth. They argue that this wall prevents us from falling off the edges and explains why Antarctica is off-limits to ordinary citizens. Chapter 8. The Psychological Aspect. Beyond the scientific arguments, the flat Earth community also delves into the psychology behind why society might perpetuate the spherical Earth belief. They claim that it is easier to control and manipulate people who think they are insignificant specks in an infinite universe, compared to individuals who feel connected to a central, special location on a flat plane. Chapter 9. The Persecution of Flat Earthers. Being a flat Earth believer is no easy feat in a world where the majority accepts the globe model without question. I discovered countless stories of people losing their jobs, friendships, and even family members due to their unorthodox beliefs. This persecution only fueled their determination to uncover the truth. Chapter 10. The Search for Truth continues. As I continued my journey into the flat Earth conspiracy, I grappled with doubt and skepticism. Despite the compelling arguments and apparent inconsistencies in the globe model, I couldn't fully abandon my understanding of the Earth as a sphere. However, I remained open-minded, recognizing that questioning the status quo is an essential part of human progress. Epilogue. A journey of discovery. Though I may not be a staunch believer in the flat Earth theory, my exploration of the conspiracy has taught me the importance of critical thinking and the need to question the information presented to us. While the evidence in favor of a spherical Earth remains overwhelming, engaging with alternative viewpoints can shed light on our own biases and the limitations of our understanding. In the end, whether a believer or not, the flat Earth conspiracy will continue to captivate minds, challenging the established norms and driving individuals to question the world around them in pursuit of a deeper truth.